Snowman Clan. Today we are in Avondale, Arizona, just outside of Phoenix, and we are at Blue Compass RV, formerly Tom's Camperland. We're going to look at this Microlite by Flagstaff. This is the 25FKBS, so let's take a look. So normally we start up here with the front storage, but as you can see, there is none. Okay, so if you look up, you got an awning that covers just about the entire side. You know what, it's the entire side. Frameless windows. Down here with your stabilization jacks, those are manual. You do have two step above steps, which means you have two entry points, which are great. As we come around to the back, you'll notice again, frameless windows, pre-wired for Furrion backup camera. You do have a ladder pre-mounted here, which is great, and your spare tires there, as well as a utility hitch. As we continue to come around, here is the only outside storage that you have in the entire RV right here. And I love the sort of a floor that they put in there, sort of a protective mat.
Yeah.
Easy to keep clean.
I think that's a marine grade carpet.
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
In between the two slides is where all the utilities are. You got a shower, your water connections, your power connections. This actually is just access to your water pump. The sewer connection is under the slide. So it's a little awkward to get to with the slides out. It's not horrible. I've seen worse, but it could be better. I apologize. There is one more little storage compartment outside. It's right here. I'm not sure what you put in there, but there it is right there. All right, so let's check out the numbers on this sucker, Lisa.
All righty.
The sucker. Gross vehicle weight of 7,772 pounds with a cargo carrying capacity of 1,738. This is a really unique floor plan, guys. I can't wait for you to check out the inside. But before, we gotta tell you, there's two 30-pound propane tanks. You got an electric jack, a battery box for two batteries. So
I like the double battery box.
I do too.
Yeah.
So let's go check out this unique floor plan. Let's go. All right, so as you come in, you see I'm sort of in the living room area. And this is not exactly a tiny travel trailer, but not exactly a big one either. And so it being a Microlite, gross vehicle weight of 7,700 pounds, you can tow this with a very small vehicle, okay? And wait till you see the rest of the floor plan. So as you can see, it's partially electric, that you have some features there, but it's also manual, right? You have this nice sort of center console, room for both arms to be here, a couple cup holders. You've got a place for charging devices there, which is great. Let's see, do these arms? Oh yeah, these arms go up too, Lisa.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, that's awesome.
I like that.
Yep, that's great. Directly across from me is your sort of entertainment area. It is only a 32-inch TV, as you can see. You could put a slightly bigger one there, but not too much bigger, because if you look just right, there's a door there, so you can't get too big. But we're sitting right at it.
Yeah.
So I think it's, maybe you could get up to a 40 or 43, and that would probably be max.
It doesn't need to be much bigger.
No, I don't think so. Beneath there, you got a nice fireplace for warming those, freakishly tiny cold feet of yours.
Yep.
Your favorite thing. All right.
Right.
As we go back towards the door, there's a big pantry here, Lisa.
Wow.
And it's got a couple of octopus hangers, which means these shelves would move. Speaking of shelves, solid as a rock.
I love that.
So if you want to use this as an entry closet, you take the shelves out and you can hang stuff in there, or if you're going to use it as a food pantry, it is set for that. Now, FK stands for front kitchen, and so here is that front kitchen.
Isn't this nice? Look at all your countertop space.
Beautiful look out the front, Lisa.
Right, and the side window as well. Yeah. So I guess we'll start here.
Sure.
We have a 3-burner stove with an oven.
Oven, yeah.
There is a little storage underneath, above it we have our microwave.
A little Magic Chef.
There's a little cubby here next to that.
I like the extra cubby.
Yeah, and then we have front storage. This goes all the way
deep,
through.
Guys. It's all the way through there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now there's power in here on both sides of the corners as well. There's also a USB there. We have a 50/50 stainless sink with a nice tall faucet like that. Underneath that, we do have
that's really
storage.
Yeah, it's all the way to the back in there and about halfway there.
We've got some storage drawers. So there is a ton of food storage in here. And then
See, this to me would be the food pantry.
Yeah, that's what I would think.
And those are pretty thin, but they're so narrow that I think you would be okay. You would need extra support in there. So, yeah.
And
by the way, open that bottom one back up, Lisa.
What's in the bottom one?
Yep. So that's where that extra little door access was.
Oh, look at that.
So
now we know what it's for.
I suppose you could put your trash can in there, but it have to be a really tiny trash can.
You can put a small trash can in there, and then it's easy
to
access
get from the outside.
Yeah, you don't have to drip a leaky bag all the way through the RV.
That's right.
And then our refrigerator freezer.
Love the wood paneling.
Right, matches the rest of the wood paneling in the kitchen. Isn't that nice?
And it works off propane or electric.
Correct.
So then this is sort of, well, like I said, a unique floor plan. So let's just, oh, wait a minute. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Thomas Toilet Test.
All right, y'all, this is your first time watching our videos. I am 6'4", drink. Use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV, for those who know what that means. Drink. All right, so at my height of 6'4" on this porcelain foot flush toilet, as you can see, there is no problems with leg room, shoulder width, none of this. So if you're a big person like I am, this is definitely 2 thumbs up. All right, directly across from me is a really decent sized vanity, Lisa. Nice sized sink and countertop. Lots of room for the lotions and potions, decent storage underneath. And then above it, you've got your medicine cabinet, which again, I don't know why they don't go a little bit higher. So I can only see from my Adam's apple down. So if you're not follically challenged like me, you're gonna have to have a hefty sort of scooch to get down there. It being a double wide, well, you can store lots of drugs up there.
Sure can.
Okay, this also does have the shower miser water saving system on that. What that is this, Lisa. If you see that little valve right there, when you first turn on your hot water, as you all well know, it takes a minute or so for it to actually the water get hot. So if you flip this valve, it's recycling the water so you're not losing it until it gets hot. Once the water gets hot, you flip the valve back and then it lets it go down into the tank. So you're just conserving water. Okay, so let me climb into the corner shower here. It's a tiny little entry. Okay, as a big person, I've talked about corner showers before. Not my favorite. I feel a little confined. Again, this is me. I'm a big person. So if you're smaller than me, then it won't be a problem. Okay. As you can see from up top, my head is completely in the bubble. It's the only place that I can stand, and I've got about 3 inches above me, so you could be absolutely no more than 6'7" and stand in this bubble. Okay, there are a couple of shelves in here for storing soaps and shampoos, and you do have a little mesh bag right there. The only thing that I don't like about the bathroom, and it is what it is, believe it or not, is the door, Lisa. You have to come in. When the door's open, it completely, closes off the toilet, right? As you can see, if you back up into the bedroom, you can't see the toilet anymore. So you have to come in, and honestly, being a big person, I basically have to come into the bedroom to close the door to get to the toilet. It's not a bad thing. It's just a little awkward. Again, if you like this unique floor plan, just come down and check it out and see if that bothers you.
I agree. When I first tried to open the door, I tried to pull outward into the main living area, not push into the bathroom.
Yeah, and that may have worked pretty good, right? So, yeah, I don't know. Of course, the TV's there.
The TV is
and that
there.
little countertop on top, but where the fireplace is. So they'd have to augment all of that if the door was going to swing out. Yeah. So it's just a thing. By the way, let's not forget this nice big cabinet back here.
That is great storage. Look at that.
Lots of storage in this bathroom.
Yes.
And we want to be clear. These are just our opinions. It's not a good and or bad thing. It's just something that we notice because we see a lot of RVs. It's just a little awkward, maybe inconvenient. Okay. So here we are in the bedroom. And let's get a measurement on this bed. This looks to be like an RV, a residential queen, Lisa. Yep, 60. It's going to be hard to get exact, but I'll be able to tell. Yep, 60 by 80. So this is a residential queen mattress.
Love that.
Which I absolutely love. Let's just lay down for you guys so you can see. You guys like it when I lay down, right? So there you go. Woohoo! Awesome. There is a couple nightstands. They're tiny. Left over here. I mean, you got to go looking for them. They're tiny. The pillows kind of cover them up. And there's one on the other side. So that best you're going to do on that is a cell phone. Okay. So if you need a CPAP, they're going to have to go probably down here on the floor. and there's power here for that. So I'm assuming that's why they put that there. All right, as you can see, there is some cabinets above, some pin lights for reading at night. Generally a nice looking and feeling bedroom. Again, love the decor in here.
Right, I like the light colored wood as well.
Yep. Directly across from here is, well, a nice big closet, Lisa.
Sure
Nice
is.
big mirror, so if you're getting dressed up in your finery to go out and on a night on the town, you got a nice big dressing mirror here.
Right, I like that.
Yep, and beneath there's some drawers. And then there's another door on this side over here.
Very nice.
If you want to put a TV, there's a place to mount a TV right there. Nice. Let's not forget, this bedroom also has separate access, which is right here. What's neat about this, y'all, is if you're driving down the road and you need to stop for an emergency, you'd be able to get to the bathroom through that door. You wouldn't be able to get to it through this door because when this slide comes in, it's going to restrict access to that bathroom. So you could get it from that door. So yeah, a really unique floor plan. Front kitchen design, solid surface countertops, mid-bath, nice bedroom. Only thing we don't like is where that toilet is, but where else are you gonna put it?
Yeah, I mean, it's just the door, and
it's just the door.
It's just the door.
Yeah.
But I love all the storage in here.
Yeah, lots of storage in here.
Yeah.
So, look, again, if this is your first time finding our channel, you guys know what to do, right? Thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It costs you nothing, and it really does help out the channel, and we would sincerely appreciate it. For the Tall Man Clan out there, God bless you guys. Thank you so much over and over again from the bottom of our hearts. Until we see you all again on the road, be safe.